She was standing right in front of the toilet door talking to you when you shot.
It's not true.
That's the only reasonable explanation for her standing upright. That's the only reasonable explanation why you shot her in the hip, where you did.
It's not true, my lady.
She wasn't scared of anything, except you. She wasn't scared of an intruder. She was scared of you.
It's not true, my lady.
Mr. Pistorius, on the probabilities, I'm looking at the door. You don't have to. If bullet A hit her in the right-hand side hip, in her right hip, she's standing facing you.
I didn't dispute that, my lady.
Now, if she was scared, if your version is true, she would not have been in front of that door, facing you.
As I said, my lady, I don't think anybody could say where she would have stood if she was thinking that I was. In her mind, it must have been that I was retreating to the bathroom. In her mind, I must have been retreating, screaming for Reeva, phone the police.
Why would she
screaming
think
for the people to get out? If she was in the toilet, then she would have been quiet. I don't see why she would have screamed out.
If she thought you're retreating, that gives her more reason to talk, to say, you're coming to me, come, Oz, I'll phone the police. What's wrong, Oz? Never.
Lady Reeva had been involved in a similar incident before in her life where she locked herself away. From my understanding, that she wasn't able to speak to people for a day or so afterward, my lady. So I don't think that is the case.
You see, Mr. Pistorius, she's awake, she's in a toilet, you shouting, you screaming, you 3 meters from her, she would have responded. She would not have been quiet, Mr. Pistorius.
She didn't respond, my lady.
Did she scream at all whilst you shot her 4 times?
No, my lady.